How to use Monday.com calendar tutorial 2022 easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I welcome you back with another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about Monday.com and how you can use the calendar in it. So first of all, let's discuss what is Monday.com. So if we go right here, then we can see what Monday.com is. Monday.com is an open platform where anyone can create the tools they need to run every aspect of their work. So basically, it's this software where you can basically run your business or project management, and you can put in other people, and it just makes life much easier. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, obviously, you're gonna need to sign yourself up and create everything that you have. I've obviously already done that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get right into my work management. So obviously you're gonna be over here. This is gonna be your basic homepage, but this does not concern us. We're gonna go here in the left taskbar and we're gonna click on work management. And once we're in work management, this is what it's going to look like. Now, what we're going to want to do to get into the calendar view is obviously, first of all, we're going to go on this plus sign over here where it says add view. Now, obviously, this is your main table. This is the main table where you're going to set your projects, tasks, or whatever. You can add your items, you can customize it, write their updates, etc. But this is obviously the main table. And then if you go on the timeline for the items that you have added in the main table. But we're not here to discuss that. We're here to discuss the calendar view. Now, for adding the calendar view, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go on the plus sign where it says add view. And over here, obviously you can't see calendar over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on more views. And up here in the search bar, you're going to write calendar. Now, when you write calendar, you're going to get this. Now, from here on out, you're just going to click on open in board. And once you open in board, it's going to open a calendar for you. And here you go. This is your very own calendar view. Now, from here on out, if you want to start adding tasks or items into your calendar, all you're going to need to do is choose your date. So, for example, let's say I want to put a task on Thursday the 17th. I'm just going to go and click on that widget, click on add. There we go. Now we're going to add our task. So let's say I want to add a day. This is just random. And then I can give it some type of, it could be this month or it could be next month, whatever you want. You can assign it to different people if they are in your main workspace. And then you can give it a status like working on it, stock, done, or it's just going. You can set the day if you want to, and from there on out, you're going to create your item, and there we go. Database has been created, and these are like the items that I created on my main table. Now, from here on out, you can add even more items. Let's say I want to add another item right here. I'm going to add coding. That, and then I'm going to go on 29th. Programming. I'm going to add that. And this is how you add items. Now, obviously, you added this in the calendar view. Now, if you go on our main table, look at that. Right here, you can see this month, database coding programming. We just added that in our calendar view, and you can see how easy it is to add your tasks using your calendar view. In your main table, you properly have to go click on add item, then you're going to add your item, and then you're going to have to set your date differently. It's a drag, and I just don't recommend it. I recommend you just go on calendar and easily start adding all the tasks you like. Now, another great feature that Monday.com provides you is that you can use more than one calendar. So what you can do for that is you're going to click on these three buttons over here, and you're going to click on duplicate. Now, once you duplicate, here you can see that it just duplicated these two calendars for you. Now, obviously, it's a bit of a lengthy process, keep going up and down for different calendars. So what you can do to make life easier for you is you can click over here in the bottom right, and you can make this a bit small. And then you're going to make this small. We're just going to drag it from here, or you can just delete this. Once you've deleted it, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here, you're going to duplicate it. Yeah, and there you go. It duplicated it right beside that. You can just make this a bit tad bit, and there we go. These are two calendars side by side, and you can start working on this. So for example, let's say this calendar is for let's say you want to make this calendar for your no, let's name it computers. This is your computer's calendar, and this is your accounting's calendar. And from here on out, you can change the tasks, you can add more tasks, you can delete these tasks if you like. For example, let's go on this task. Let's change it to CA. I'm going to change it to that. See, it's edited, and this is how you get two calendar views side by side, where the red views are going to be for your computers. And let's add a different item over here. Let's say this is for next month, and let's CA part 2. And from here on out, what's going to happen is, yeah, there you go, two different calendars in the same layout. And you can just mess around with the layout if you want to. For example, if you want them up top to down, you can do that, or you can just move this over here and bring it up here. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to mess around. And you can just drag it using this, and then let's just expand it, and look at that. So that is how basic and simple and easy it is to play around with your calendar view in Monday.com. So that was about it for this video. If you want to know more tips and tricks about Monday.com or the calendar view, please let me know down in the comments. I'll help you straight away. Till then, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot, and share this video around. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great day, and I'm going to see you next time. Goodbye.